India resumes vaccine exports to four countries. Myanmar, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Iran are the first recipients of resumed vaccine exports from India starting November 2021. Exports were stopped almost 8 months ago as COVID 19 cases surged during the brutal second wave that hit India in April to May 2021. Only after India had administered a billion doses of vaccines, the Indian government announced its decision to return to supporting countries. Following the neighborhood first policy, the four recipient nations are in India's proximity and really in need. India is beginning to lift restrictions on commercial contracts. India has also resumed its exports to the WHO led COVAX facility, with the first lot of doses landing in African countries. Adar Poonawalla, Chief of Serum Institute of India, said that Covishield doses shall land in African countries by the third week of November 2021. India now has a long list of vaccines Covavax, Corbevax, Zycov-D, Genova's mRNA vaccine at various stages of regulatory approval. The first 50 million doses of Serum Institute of India produced Covavax will make its way to Indonesia this week, though the vaccine is yet to be green lighted by India's DCGI, the WHO, or US FDA. While the government is focusing on getting more Indians covered by the second jab, it's clear that supplies are no longer a constraint. Vaccine manufacturers are chomping at the bit because they need to go out to the world with their exports. There are fears about a third wave and a repeat of the shortages faced during the second wave, as well as uncertainties about production volumes and timelines of manufacturers. In India, government sources say they were hobbled by the slow rollout of Covaxin by Bharat Biotech. Without the Serum Institute of India doing the heavy lifting, India would not have been able to ramp up its vaccinations as rapidly as it did. Until mid October, Bharat Biotech had only supplied around 11 crore doses compared to the 40 crore promised by the government to the Supreme Court. With the developed world going in for boosters and scientific evidence tilting towards giving vulnerable populations boosters after 6 to 8 months, it won't be long before India too has to take a call on them. For government regulators, this is all the more reason to hold on to vaccine for Indians.